Hello, it's the EdShed on a lovely sunny day. And now the EdShed has decided that he's going to have a barbecue. And as usual, he's going to also have, not sponsored by these people, but I bloody should be. So, we've got our coleslaw, we've got our burgers, we've had our potato salad, we've got our gluten-free bread rolls because I'm a celiac, and I've got my onion and cheese up there. I've got my little grabbers. And I've got my barbecue saddle only bastard for one. There we go, you see. And it's on wheels, so if it gets too smoky, I can horse it out the garage door. Now, obviously, it has been a hell of a day because we've now got on the 2+2, the water pump is leaking like a sieve. The radiator is leaking like a sieve. But the gears now are selecting, and it has got 5 gears, you'll be pleased to know, viewers. It has got 5 gears, I found them. But on the way back, it's now got fuel starvation, and I couldn't have run out of petrol because I put 4 gallons in it. So it's either a filter blocked or the pump's doing something's not right. But what I'm going to do is I will take you over there, and what we'll do is we'll go over there. Sharon, you going to come over here? Right, come on. Right, so we can come over here and I'll show you the new gear lever. And when I come back, I'm going to put my burgers on, and then I'm going to eat them. Now, we've cleared a bit of space over here, ready to get these out. That I might try to start. If I have enough cider, I'm going to get that running. I'm sick of that. Over here, we've got fuel starvation. The filter's empty. We've got a bit of a strange misfire as well. I don't quite know what's going on there, but we need to have a look at that. Possibly that could be that wire pulling. I don't know. Anyway, but inside, we were just talking about Fast and Furious. Well, check out my Fast and Furious gear lever. Is that the beast or is that the beast? And that now gives me 5 gears. But all the other gear levers are all just gear levers, was it? And that's the real gear lever, the one gear lever that works. And all the rest of the gear levers are just crap. Probably 3 anyway. So yeah, we got that. And I will say, it is actually quite nice with 5 gears. And it's quite nice not selecting reverse all the time when you want to go forwards, like a moss. So, I'm going to pull the radiator out. Gonna sort out the fuel because I'm gonna have to go on and move, put it back in the shed, and eat my burgers. Right, that's about what I should do, isn't it? Yeah. There's nothing I can show you. Oh, I can show you something. Yes, we have had something happen today. Something has happened today. Past the Barbie, we got a box cut. That box contains everything for this. Now, I think I did video some of this last night, so hey, there may be some video of me stripping that front end out. Obviously, the EdShed flask is here, was waiting now. Shit hand. But yeah, all else fails. But yeah, that's what I say, guys. I mean, look, we're getting there. But that car, I mean, all right, we threw it together in 5 months. It is fighting me. To be realistic about it, I've had calls from the gallery just to shove it back in the shed and forget about it for another 2 years. But I said, look, we've got to stay on top of it, because if we don't stay on top of it, it will get on top of me, and then I'll be sad. So we are going to be pulling something out of the shed, and it is in hand, and it may happen. But at the moment, we just held up with room, really. I've got no space, but it's too hot out there. I've even burnt the top of my head. So, on that cheerful note, I'd say, click that little button there, click that one there, comment down here, please comment, and like comments. If only you to say how buff I look, you know. But obviously, if I'm not looking buff, well then, I'm looking, that's this is energy to keep me going for another day. Because guys, every day just seems to be the same. Why is it there's something happening? But that sky is beautiful up there. I mean, when you look up in that sky, you realise, yeah, that is really lovely. And if it wasn't for those sonic clouds getting in the way and all this rubbish about stopping ozone, we'd have lovely clear skies and we'd all get suntans. We could all drive around our petrol cars with air conditioning on. So I bet a lot of this may not make it to you. If it does, well, hey, if it doesn't, well, it does. If it does, then like you can obviously make what you will of it. So I'm going to turn you off there now because I've had enough. But I will say, guys, time's precious, waste it wisely. And I think this is not a waste of my time doing this. Barbecue, cider, car. See you later. Bye.